Timbavati!
This week happens to be National Farm Animals Awareness Week. This week celebrates and promotes the unique qualities of farm animals and the complexities of their personalities and behaviors. By and large, typical farm animals are highly social and intelligent creatures. Timbavati Wildlife Park is no stranger to farm animals, as we regularly have pig races that run daily throughout our season. You can come to Timbavati Wildlife Park and have your own family-friendly farm animal experience.
Timbavati!